In the last class, we studied about what? My brother, my brother. Now we can continue our story. What we have already studied? Yeah, okay. We studied about the bravery of a little boy. What was his name? His name was, what was his name? Sher Singh. And his little brother's name? Kunva. What happened to him? Yeah, Kunva was not well, and his brother Sher Singh decided to take him to the hospital, but there was no good hospital near to their home. So here what he decided to do, what happened to him, that only we described in the last 2 classes. So here our Sher Singh decided to take his little brother to the hospital. But what happened on the way? He saw herd of elephants and he escaped from that place and decided to move to the hospital. Yeah, okay. Now look at your text and read the next one. So now how to cross? There was not a chance to swim. Even alone he would lost. Perhaps among the wreckage of the bridge there was a way. Sher Singh gathered grass and plaited it into rope. He tied the rope round his brother and himself so they would keep together. Then he entered the water just above the bridge. Here I have already told you there are 2 rivers to cross to reach the hospital. Not a hospital, to the city and all. So what happened? While walking through the jungle, he saw 2 rivers. First river, there was a bridge and he crossed the bridge. But the second river was flooded. There was no bridge. So he has to do something, some extraordinary thing. What was it? He collected some ropes like that, something, some creepers and all, and plaited it together and made a rope. And what happened? He tied the rope round the brother and himself. How? Brother is on his back, so he took the rope and tied with it on his brother. So cold he could hardly keep his hold. He did not know if his brother alive or dead, because he was not well. Kunvar was not well and he didn't know whether he died or not. But he kept the child's head above water and inch by inch moved along. He was deaf, blinded, frozen and tired, but he went on and on. What happened? He didn't stop his work. He tied his brother onto his back and kept on moving from the river. The river seemed to lose power. They were through. After that, Sher Singh did not know what happened. He was walking on and on. There was a road. There was a better road. Far away, another world, there came sound the heralding a village. Suddenly, somehow, people. After that, next he knew they were in a bullock cart and then a truck. Have you ever seen a bullock cart? In pictures and all. Have you seen bullocks? Now there won't be any bullocks near to our houses and all. If you are not well, you will go by car or any other vehicle. But this was in olden time near to the place where the jungle, Himalaya. And there is a bullock cart. When he opened his eyes, they were in a bullock cart. Where have you come from, boy? Laldwani. The name of their village was Laldwani. You carried him alone? across the river in flood? They were at the hospital. Sher Singh always felt shy of big building. He did not go in. Much later, the doctor came on veranda and said, "You are the boy who brought the child from Ladwani?" Here what happened? Here they knew that these two children came there alone. Yeah. Then a smile broke all over the doctor's gentle face. Sher Singh Bahadur, he said, "Your brother will live. Come and see." So here all the people praised him and the doctor appreciated his bravery. That is why I told, I had already showed a picture to you. What was it? That was the bravery award. Here the boy was very brave. So what happened? Because of his bravery only, he could save the life of his little brother. If we are in such a place, what we will do? We will cry from there. We won't do any such risk. We can't do. But some people may be there. They never ever give up. What is it? Never ever give up. We hope. What hope? You can do something. You can save the life of the people. And some newspapers and all, you can see the bravery award was given to the person, this little one, who saved the life of others. Sometimes while maybe most probably it will happen during the rainy season. While walking through the rainy season, what may happen? There will be ponds, rivers, somebody will fell on it. Neglecting their own lives, their people will save the life of others. So such children will be given bravery award. They will be honored by the government by giving bravery awards. So that only I told you earlier. So here what happened? Neglecting the life of Sher Singh, he decided to help his brother. So he is a brave kid. So what is the message you studied from the story? Never ever give up. Never ever give up. That is the message of our lesson, brother. Brave boy. Bravery of a little boy who saved his little brother's life. Have you understood? Okay, everybody understood this. And once more, you should read all this lesson and understand what the story is. Whenever you also have the chance to save the life of others, you should help something to them. Okay, thank you.